I'm super excited. I'm right here at Guangzhou Airport and I will shortly be flying to Kunming, to Yunnan province, the eternal spring of China. We have landed, and the reason why I came here is actually I got an invitation from Keats school. They are an international school. They teach Chinese to foreigners. So I'm going to spend 1 week at Keats school as a guest. Probably they will take me on a lot of trips in and around Kunming, and I will also hopefully learn some Chinese in the meantime. Click the link in the description to get a 300 yuan discount with my promo code Petra 300. Let's discover Kunming together. Kunming is a beautiful city famous for its coffee, tea, flowers, mushrooms, noodles, ethnic minorities, and fabulous scenery. I made it to my future home for the week and it's beautiful. I have just arrived. You can literally see all my baggages over there. I'm so excited. I thought I will give you a little tour of my room. So here's my door. You can come in. My wardrobes, I have lots of places to pack my stuff, so it's ideal for students who stay for a long time. Kitchen area with a lovely microwave, water stand, and a fridge. I also got some cool welcome messages from my teachers and from my life advisor. And my schedule, you can see I'm not gonna have a lot of free time. They make sure that I will be busy. I've got a TV as well, and this is the cutest thing ever. I love this makeup desk. I've also got a desk. It's gonna be very useful for my Chinese practice. And of course the bed feels really comfy and clean. I'm very happy with this room, and now it is time to meet my teachers. Oh my god, I will have 2 teachers and they will make sure that I learn a lot. I just hope that I will be a good student, because it feels weird to be on the other side. Like, I'm used to being the teacher and now I'm gonna be the student, so I'm wondering how it's gonna turn out. Hello. How is your food? It's wonderful. Tasty. What's your food?
I think it's very fantastic.
You're happy having a first dinner together. My first day has been amazing. I could meet my Chinese teachers and I could also meet my life advisor. They even took me out for dinner. What a warm welcome. We could try the traditional Kunming rice noodles, which is called as the cross bridge noodles, which has actually an interesting story. It's a love story from ancient China about a Chinese scholar and his wife. This Chinese scholar was studying in a remote location and his wife would come to see him and bring him lunch every day. She had to cross a bridge every time. When she took the journey, she realized that the meal is not really fresh anymore. She thought that if she separates the noodles, the meat, and the veggies from the soup will be a lot more tastier and fresher. She also put a layer of fat on top of the soup, and this actually kept the soup hotter for a longer period of time. So it was hot enough for the vegetables and the meat to be cooked inside the soup. So this tradition became very popular quickly up until today. Even if you go to a restaurant now, they will bring you the soup first and then the ingredients. You can put everything together by yourself and it will be cooked in 2 minutes right in front of you. How nice is that? I feel like in China, everything has a story from the ancient times. Even after 4 years, I keep learning new things that I've never heard about. I'm looking forward to start learning and start exploring Kunming tomorrow. Good morning! This is my first morning here in Kunming and I'm so tired because I didn't get any sleep. Probably you can hear it on my voice. But I'm up early because we are going on a 1-day trip to the Jiuxiang caves. Hey guys, so we have arrived to the caves. In the background you can see some of the other students, and now we're gonna take a boat tour to the caves. There's actually a bunch of rivers, even underground rivers in between the caves and inside the caves. got out of the boat. We're on the way to inside the caves. There's a lot of stairs and waterfalls and stones and mountains. I feel like we're in a fairy tale. I love this place already. It's the beginning of an amazing adventure. Just learned that this is the biggest cave in China with more than 200 kilometers of roadways inside the caves, and there's a lot of waterfalls, rivers, forests inside these caves, and even some species of fish that only live here. How amazing! Just got back home from the caves. It was very adventurous. I enjoyed it so much, but it was very tiring as well. There are lots of stairs that you have to take. At some point it just feels like that it's never ending and it's overwhelming, but it's beautiful. It's so good that if you come to Keats, you will have a lot of new friends. There's many students here from all over the world. We have students from the USA, from Indonesia, from Italy, from Malaysia, from Hungary, and from Germany. I'm having such a good time. I'm happy. Good morning! I'm waking up with the sun again because this is my first day of school and I'm really nervous. I'm so afraid that I will make mistakes, I will learn slowly, or I'm not gonna be good enough. Some of the things that I'm worried about is, well, the first one is being able to remember the words and the expressions. Certain words sound very similar or sound the same to me. The second thing is picking up the good pronunciation, being able to say the 4 tones correctly. Especially the 3rd tone. To me, it's very difficult to pronounce. We will see. I have amazing teachers. They are amazing, hardworking, and very, very kind. I do think that we should never stop learning, and if something interests us, then we should definitely go for it. But I'm just so nervous. Before classes, let's go and have breakfast.天，非常漂亮。这个是
老师，
对，他们有
汉服，对，汉服。
你在哪里？他是
他是张老师。
张老师。
几个苹果
6个苹果。
非常好，给你。
对 ，This is so much fun 。谢谢啊。好，
吃饭，对，很好。气，
不是这个，
对，
这个吧？
不对，
哦，这个，
对，羊，对，很好。
I'm back from my classes and I shouldn't have been worried at all. I had such a good time. Both of my teachers are lovely. They have very friendly and kind, welcoming personalities, and they also plan a bunch of really enjoyable activities. The absolute highlight of my classes were learning about the country names. The Chinese country names are very similar to the English ones, and I wanted to guess which country I'm saying. So the first one is Philippines. Which one do you think it is? It's the Philippines. Or another one is Australia, which is Australia. And my absolute favorite one is Indonesia. I think it's pretty easy to guess. This is Indonesia. Are you interested in learning Chinese at Keats School? Then check out their website for even more information. And as always, I see you in the next one. Bye!